Want to increase the maximum display brightness on your Samsung phone because you think the display is not bright enough outside? Well, no need to worry. Here is an easy method to increase the display brightness on your phone. So let's get started without any further delay. First, open up the settings, then scroll down a bit. Now tap on display. Here you can see the brightness option. From here, you can increase your brightness to the maximum. But it's not good for your eye, and I don't recommend it to set to maximum. There is one more option called adaptive brightness. If you turn it on, your brightness will automatically change based on ambient light. I think this is the best option for you. Hope it helps. If you find this video useful, then remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.